Hi, have you heard of this term called big picture thinking? Today I want to talk to you about what is big picture thinking and how is it related to creativity. Now you may be wondering, hey, why do I need to care about big picture thinking? Because nowadays the world is getting increasingly complex. New business model, new products, new services keep coming up, and if you can develop a big picture thinking, you will be able to look at what are the new market opportunity and possibility. Right? So today, I want to share with you what is big picture thinking, how is it related to creativity, and how you can develop your big picture thinking. You may probably heard of this story featuring a CEO of a cosmetic company. He said, in the factory, we make cosmetics, but in the stores, we sell hopes. Right? So that is the essence of big picture thinking. Right? It is thinking beyond what you are doing right now and look at what are the possibility and opportunity. Right? So in this case, the CEO of a cosmetic company, yes, if you focus only on the product on hand, it is cosmetic, you are in the cosmetic business. But essentially, if you look at the bigger picture, right, you are actually selling hope in the store. Right? So that is an example of a big picture thinking. Now, you may be asking, hey, how can I develop right this kind of like a big picture thinking? Um, what you can do is you can do two things. Right? Number one is look at who is using your product. Number two, what do they want? Right? So these are the two things that you can focus on if you want to develop your big picture thinking. Number one, look at who is using your product, and number two, what do they want? So for example, if you are in the car manufacturing business, you make cars, automobiles. So who will be using your your car? Right? Probably maybe the car buyers or someone who enjoy cars or someone who has a transportation needs and want to buy your car. Right? So this is number one, right? Who is using your car? And number two, what do they want? Are they just looking for a car, or are they looking for convenience, or are they looking for freedom, or are they looking for mobility? Right? So that means in terms of the product you're selling is car, but essentially the bigger picture thinking will allow you to see, oh, actually you are selling freedom, right? You're selling mobility. Right? So that is an example of big picture thinking in action. Let's me give you another example. Let's say you are in the software business or you are in the technology business. Right? So let's say you are selling cloud computing. Right? You may be thinking that, oh, I'm focusing on cloud computing. I want to make sure that I have the best cloud computing products um, in the world. Right? I want to back that up with like the best cloud computing tutorial courses so that my users will be able to take advantage of our great cloud computing product. Okay, that's not a big picture thinking. Big picture thinking, what you need to do is you need to look at, hey, who will be using my cloud computing services? Is it the business professional in the hospital or in a hotel or in a school, right? So who will be using my cloud computing solutions? And number two, right, what do they want? Right? Do they want freedom, or do they want free and easy access to data, or do they want a peace of mind? Right? So once you look at that, right, you will be able to identify, oh, actually I'm not selling cloud computing, but I'm selling the peace of mind, right, so that they can get access to whatever they want at whatever timing it is. Right? So that is how you can develop your big picture thinking. Right? So to recap, right, how you can develop your big picture thinking. Right? Number one, look at who is using your product, and number two, what do they want? Right? So remember this example: you are not selling cars, you're selling mobility. You're not selling cosmetic, you are selling hope. Right, so I hope this is something useful to you, and if you like this big picture thinking video, share with your friends and colleagues. Once again, this is Dickson. Develop your big picture thinking. Cheers.